Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jay, and I got the FDR-X3000. I'm at the slopes, so let's see what this thing can do. The conditions, are pretty good. It's snowing out right now, so that's cool. Stay tuned. I'm super excited. It's only like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I left work a little early so I could play, and the conditions look awesome. I got the grip camera holder I'm using right now, and I'm just going to do a quick run to get warmed up. Then I'm going to break out the selfie stick. Alright guys, now I'm using the selfie stick, and I got myself a pair of goggles. You can see now the camera's way further away, and I'll show you how you can use the selfie stick to get some interesting, footage. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool. Look down. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Alright guys, here we go. Now using the selfie stick, you see what's going on here. Inside the little protective lens there. It's definitely cold out. I mean, it's like 22 degrees, 23 degrees, so it looks like with this lens adapter, the protector, it's causing some fog issues. Well, I just wiped off the protective lens and it looks like it's pretty good now, so hopefully it holds up for this run. I'm not sure why it fogged up, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, stand by. Change the setting now to 120 frames per second so I can do some slow-mo action. Alright, so done snowboarding for today. I was pretty happy with the way the camera worked. I'm not sure about how good the footage looks. I did run into that fogging situation where this little lens adapter, protective cover thing was fogging up. So I'm not sure if that'll happen in the underwater housing or not, but it definitely was a problem today. And my car is telling me it's 25 degrees out, as you can see right there. So it's definitely cold. So maybe it just had something to do with that. Not really sure.